Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the personality disorder. Personality disorder means होता है what is it and what is causes. हम लोग देखेंगे कि इसके ये क्या होता है और इसके क्या क्या causes हैं. Personality disorder, what is it? Personality disorder consists of the inflexible, long-lasting maladaptive traits that cause the significantly impaired functioning or great distress in the one's personal and social life. जो भी होता है हम अपने माल अडॉप्शन हो जाता है माई थिंकिंग प्रोसेस में, कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस में, हमारा बिहेवियर में हमारी इम्पेयरमेंट हो जाता है फंक्शनिंग में. कॉजेज ऑफ पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर, ए ट्रबल चाइल्डहुड, कोई भी हमारी बचपन में अच्छी नहीं होती है. चाइल्डहुड प्रॉब्लम दैट कंटिन्यू इन एडल्ट, चाइल्डहुड प्रॉब्लम कंटिन्यू. माल अडॉप्टिव एंड पुअर पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप. बॉर्डरलाइन पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर, ये क्या होता है? बॉर्डरलाइन पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर कंसिस्ट ऑफ द पैटर्न instability in a personal relationship, self-image and emotion that is as well as impulsive behavior. borderline personality disorder जो कि जो पेशेंट होते हैं ये अपनी रिलेशनशिप को मैनेज नहीं कर पाते ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, सेल्फ इमेज और इमोशनल बहुत होते हैं. एज वेल इम्पल्सिव बिहेवियर भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. वो डिड यू नो 75% पीपल हैव with the borderline personality disorder engaging in self harm like cutting, burning, वो लोग कट करते हैं, other form of self mutilation. Another 10% eventually like committed suicide. Causes of borderline personality disorder, both environmental and genetic causes. Experience trauma during the childhood such as abusing, being prohibited from the expressing negative emotion. No specific gene is responsible, although impulsive and aggression is highly hereditary. Antisocial personality disorder. Antisocial personality disorder refers to a pattern of disregarding and violating the rights of others without feeling guilty and remorse. The diagnosis symptom very long, a continuum. Sign of antisocial personality disorder. Symptom begins as a child and are most evident between the 20s and 30s. Symptom includes cruelty to animal, bullying behavior, impulsivity, or the explosion of anger, social isolation, poor schooling performance. Antisocial personality biological factor. Serious behavior problem that start at a young age such as a temper tantrum, bullying, torturing animal, habitual lying are indicative biological factor. Biological factor genetic and neurological. Based on the study, twins and adopted children contribute the 30 to 50% to the development of the antisocial personality disorder. Neurological, based on the brain scan of the children with antisocial personality disorder and the studies from the children with the brain damage. Brain scan shows the damage of the prefrontal cortex. Brain scan a child with antisocial shows the damage of the prefrontal cortex. Children shows the no empathy, no remorse or guilty as a result. As a adult, brain scan how that the children and adults with the antisocial personality disorder have 11% fewer brain cells in the frontal cortex. Frontal cortex of the brain responsible for the executive function, making decision, planning. Damage to the frontal cortex result in an increased risk of developing the antisocial personality disorder. Thank you.